Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back with the full London gang to another London session. First London session of March 2026. I'm really glad to be back. I'm happy to be back. I missed streaming. I missed streaming so much that I actually jumped on stream on Friday with Kane, which was kind of fun. But I hope you're all doing well. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for this crazy market. Put the 2 in the chat if you're not ready, but you're still gonna absolutely smash it today. Guys, I'm happy to, well, I'm not happy because my voice changer isn't working, but I'll do it anyways. You know, I'm gonna introduce the one and only Australian Balinese ICT trading, 15-minute sweeping, 1 minute inversing, newly fiancé club member, North saying, daughter saying, back gambling, not to Mexico, flying airport hating, AI trading, movie trailer voice hating, positive order, roaring kitty, Celine. Good morning. How are we doing?
Oh, the roaring kitty one I didn't get to do last week. Damn it. I got to do that at some point. I know. Oh, all right. Stream done, guys. That's how you get rid of Nick. Oh, no. You know what? I have to. There was a chance I was going to do it, and then I got hit by floods. So I think I get a bit of slack there. You
fair point. Very fair point. I'm glad you're safe. I'm glad you're safe. Like that was
Thank you.
some crazy sizzle.
Yeah, but hey, I'm glad you're safe. You escaped those cartels and a Nick on the loose out in Mexico. So Sputnik, you guys. I'm talking about Sputnik on the loose.
Well, Sputnik, I'm surprised it didn't get kidnapped, to be fair. But
so am I. But good morning, chat. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. And yeah, there's been a whole lot happening in the markets. Obviously, we will catch up on it all. I'm still like just looking at these markets, not liking one bit of it. I don't even know if like technical analysis works when we're in these sort of situations.
Honestly, like I mean, let's bring up the charts, Roman. But honestly, Celine, like this is I went short a long time ago here at like 655 on NQ, and also I went long on gold around like 400. And the thing is this: in a market where like when there's war going on, that is actually important for the markets. Like literally like. Fuck technical analysis. Like just
literally
for me, it was
fundamentals.
on NQ, it was sell low, like buy lower, and on gold, it's just like buy high, sell higher. For real, like my live account right now, I'm literally in gold longs and gold short and NQ shorts. I'm just gonna hold it. Like I'm going for 300 points on NQ and going for 100 points on gold. So
yeah. Like, no, it makes sense. It makes total sense. I'm with you. Yeah. I haven't taken anything, but I think there's no need to be like looking at highs and key levels at this point. It's whatever happens in America and the Middle East right now is going to drive these markets one way or the other.
100%. I mean, I do trade my live account different than I will trade props. I mean, on props, I did snag a little 25 pointer here on my funded accounts, but on my live account, I said I'm going for 300 points on NQ and I'm going for 100 points on gold. I'm just gonna hold it. Like, there's no point in doing anything else for me.
But
crazy times. Let's actually look at it. NQ, obviously, like as we all expected. Hopefully, you did expect that. We had a big new week opening gap from 24,942 right down to what was that? Well, the gap goes down to 764. We did try to close that gap and almost did. Actually, let's check on ES. Did ES? No, didn't do it. But we did tap back into that gap. We had our open for the day, week and month at 24,683. And as said, obviously, like tried to fill it, didn't fill it, and now moving lower. Current low of the day is 24,507. And there's much more room to the downside. Doesn't mean you should just blindly short, unless I said, like in my live account, I did exactly that, but that was the plan. Like I said, as soon as I wake up and I look at the markets, I'm just going to short it. That worked out nicely so far. But with props and obviously like daily loss limit and all that stuff, like you have to still find good entries, like go in on a pullback, for example. No financial advice, but that's what I'm going to be doing. And also size appropriately, because if you think about it, not considering the opening gap, like literally just considering where price actually was, the Asia session right now is 394 points. Okay, so we will see crazy moves these next couple days. So you have to be not careful as in not taking trades, but careful as in how you size appropriately. Because literally, if we just look at this 5-minute candle right here that we had so far on NQ, I mean, this is a 44-point candle. Sometimes we see 44 points after like half an hour of London session. So moves are bigger, therefore take trades where you size appropriately, like size down, take maybe 25% of your usual size, and then allow your stop to be bigger, allow your TPs to be bigger. That's the way how I approach it. But what are your thoughts, Celine?
Yeah, I think like on days like today, if I was to take any sort of setup on the fundeds or even evals, to be fair, like just because of the rules, I think micros is going to be my bestie today. I think I'm just going to trade micro gold, micro NQ, just to make sure I'm not just like shorting where we have a little bit of a pullback and then I get, stopped out in that NQ short. So the plan for me today is I want to see like high time frame gaps such as 15-minute. For example, there's an open 15-minute gap sitting up on the NQ at the low of that gap is actually 24,603. So like a tap into that FEG, some sort of analysis there. That is all the analysis I'll do. And then I'm like, just want to short out of there. Like I expect us to hold those gaps. And yeah, with the news happening right now, nothing looks green in the indices. I mean, if anything is to drop, I mean, it's London session, so like, yes, the US is currently closed, but I still expect there could be anything drop on Twitter or anything at any given moment. So I think just trading micros is a smart way to go about it. Looking to short NQ if we get a tap, like a retracement into a high time frame FEG, and then short that. And the same with gold. I will look for a long, which would go against, which is like so hard for me, but like my whole like reversal model thing. But you have to understand, like in times like this, a reversal is kind of like the lower probability, unless you're taking like a short scalp. Like of course the market will pull back at some point, but I think the cleaner, longer term move is to take the continuation here.
100%.
So I'll be looking for that.
Same. Hey, it's so good to be back. I missed this.
I know. You are crazy. I was like, this guy's a fiend for the stream on Friday. He was like, guys, how do I get in? Get me into the stream. Like, you had probably like just gotten off that train, gotten home, and this guy was like,
for real. I literally arrived home and went on stream. That was good. Was good. Chat, what's up? Jonathan, how you doing, man? Good morning, Adam. Good morning, M2.
Hey.
Good morning, James. Good morning, Leah. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Sudar. Good morning, Pam. Good morning, MMNQES. Dude, I lost my voice last week. It was crazy. I couldn't speak anymore.
I wonder why.
Literally, like half the team lost their voices.
That's so fun. By the way, like, are we going to get any Mexico stories?
Well, do we want to get people fired? And she's gone. Well, looks like she did some stuff in Mexico, apparently, even though she wasn't even there. But Roman was like, nah, let's not get those Mexico stories out. Let's just fire her on this spot. Jonathan, yeah, that's literally what it is. What happens in Mexico stays in Mexico. For real. Has to. All right, so far it is, NQ is struggling to break 500. Let's see. Nice bull flag setting up on gold 5-minute chart. For me, what I'm targeting, by the way, on NQ on my live account is this wick low here, 344. Actually, not the wick, but the candle body low on the hourly. So like 344 is my ultimate target. That's where I will be taking profit in my live account. And gold, on the other hand, I'm targeting, I think, wait, let me check my orders really quick. On gold, I'm targeting 494. So 5,494. Let's see. So far, I'm up 120 points on NQ, and I'm up 28 points on gold. So we hold. Hey, what's up,
I am
Celine?
back. I don't know what happened. I was talking about Mexico, and then you must have deleted me.
Yeah, Roman was like, nope, let's not get those stories out. Like, let's just.
That's going to be too illegal for this stream.
For real.
But anyway, about Mexico.
Anyway. Well,
we're not going to get anything, chat.
I don't even know what I can say, you know?
I told these guys I was going to get the goss for us, but maybe not. I think that's a no. We'll take it as a no.
No, it was fun. It was fun. That's for real.
Fun. Fun's a good word. It was fun.
Yeah.
Yep.
We saw monkeys, wild monkeys. That was cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, like we went to an adventure park and did some zip lining there, and there were literally like monkeys next to the zip lines. It was really cool.
That would have been cool.
I love monkeys.
Yeah, we know. We've had this conversation. I hate monkeys.
How can one hate a monkey? They're so cute.
We've talked about this. I mean, actually, in saying that, have you seen the punch monkey thing?
Yeah, of course.
That is like, that's the only monkey I will ever love. But every other monkey I hate.
Okay,
I want to adopt him.
Yeah, the Tate brothers tried to buy him actually.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yep. Hey, that D-man, yeah, I'm staying safe. I'm in Switzerland. No worries.
Yeah, Switzerland is a good place to be when there's a bit of a war breaking out.
100%. I'll like if there's ever going to be, which I doubt, but if there would ever be war in Switzerland, I'll just go to the mountains and we're going to be fine.
Literally. Can you make room? I will just.
Yeah, 100%. Fly over, no issue.
By the way, I don't know why these guys are saying happy birthday. Chat, we already went through this.
How was your birthday? I wanted to ask though.
Oh, my birthday was good. You know what? I've been playing a lot of paddle as well. I actually woke up and had a paddle session on my birthday, so that was
Better
sick.
get ready for Dubai, I swear. Like,
oh, if Dubai goes ahead,
if Dubai happens, we will battle it out on a paddle court. That's for sure.
Oh yeah. I'm getting my reps in. But yeah, birthday was good. My fiance actually like got Bali belly, like woke up with it pretty bad that day. So like we couldn't really like do as much as we had planned. So in the end, we played paddle until he was like about to be sick, and then we sort of just chilled the rest of the day. And then we went out for dinner. And then what else? I think that was the day. It was not as obviously fun because he was not well, but the next day is when the floods hit, and so I was like, okay, there goes my birthday. So,
well. Like goal.
Yes.
What was your last like goal?
We said I kept it low. What did we say? I think 385 was the last one.
385. That's very low. What the fuck?
Well, yeah, because I was like, you know what? I'll just be nice. I took 3 days away from the stream, so I had to give it back to them.
Whoa. Wait a second. Ozempic there says, I see that Nick is back. Which prank will we go with, Samim? What's happening? What did he do?
Don't worry, Ozempic. Me and Ozempic are, we're always scheming.
Mm-hmm. I see. All right. This short continues, chat. This short continues.
Yeah,
it's funny, like when I entered it, I literally thought to myself, okay, I'm gonna look like a dummy for a brief moment. Why? Because I entered this short like here. Okay, looking at this low over here, it's like you look stupid. But on a day like today, it's literally sell low, like buy lower. That's what you're gonna do. Okay, so now I don't look.
Are you scaling into it, or are you just holding the position?
I'm just holding it. Actually, you know what? Roman, can you go to Celine's screen really quick so then I can log into my live account here on
I'm kind of bummed I didn't see the 5-minute retracement. That retraced right at Frankfurt Open. That would have been a nice short. Now, the next retracement is probably... I don't know. Just give us a pullback, NQ. I need to enter this. The funny thing is, I still don't think this is low enough.
No.
I got pretty low already, but let's say we take out what's that? Even Feb's low is like definitely a target. 24,440. 240.
We can go back to my screen, Roman, if you want. Here, or my current trades. So I'm up $640 on 2 micros on NQ. And 280 on 1 micro on gold. And I literally like bought the top basically on gold and I sold the bottom on NQ. But these days, that's what you do. Target, I said, on NQ is going to be 24,344. And target on gold is 5494.5. Look, if I have to hold this the entire day, I'm going to do it. If it hits earlier, cool. I take it. But I'm prepared to hold it. I even am prepared to hold this overnight if I have to. Like, this is a play that I'm pretty sure of. So let's see. And yeah, tell him, Leia. Smash that freaking like button. Smash
what did we say for like gold today? Did we end up?
No, we didn't say one. Let's make it 400 then.
Yeah. By the way, Nick, we had 1,000. I sent you a screenshot. We had 1,000 people watching on Friday, and I'm still like a little confused.
I saw it. I was like, "Yo, damn!"
I mean, I was like celebrating it. I was like, "Hell yeah!" There's 1,000 of us, but like, I'm like, chat. Did anyone rig that, or are we just like growing it?
Let's just assume it was real and it's cool.
I'm telling myself it was real, and everyone's.
Patrick says, "Hang on, why is Nick back? Celine got 1,000 views without him. I thought we agreed he was expendable." You know what, Patrick? Get back to the kitchen and make me some fucking pancakes, okay?
Oh, shit. You heard him, Patrick.
Yusuf, who's watching Flight Radar? Oh, that's actually a good call. Flight Radar must look crazy over the UAE right now. Gonna do this right now.
There won't be any flights happening right now.
No, it must be empty. Let's see. Wow, that's crazy. Let's actually wait. I'll connect my phone to my computer.
I need to say, you know, if I had gone to Mexico, right? I would have flown out Friday, obviously. You know where I would have been on Saturday when the bombs went off?
You would have gotten cooked.
I would have been in Qatar.
You would still be there, actually.
No, I would be. I would have been there. So when everyone was like, come to Mexico, and I was like, nope, something's telling me don't go to Mexico. Chat, this is why. Listen to that instinct. I would have been cooked.
Fair.
Literally.
Fair. Abik, good morning. Welcome back. Johnny says, no sombrero. I'm disappointed in Nick. I'm disappointed too, honestly. I wanted one, okay? But there was no opportunity for me to get one. Fortunately.
What was like the best food you had there? Did you guys even eat Mexican food, or did you go like?
You're gonna chop me up for that one, but best food I had there was pizza.
Oh, not the freaking tacos.
Oh, the tacos were good too. Tacos were good too.
Okay.
But they had really good pizza. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, I love a good pizza.
Thank you. Yes, any good tequila. I mean, not for me. I don't drink, but let me phrase it this way. There was a lot of tequila flowing. That's for sure. What else do I want to say?
It must have been so funny to be the sober one at that table.
Oh, it was very funny. It was very funny. There was... Oh, yeah, now I remember. So I got Brett and Amos to try steak with ketchup. Just saying.
Did you film it? Shit.
So... Amos,
what's the verdict?
You know, he had to be the cool guy and gave it a 1 out of 10. But Brett gave it a 5 out of 10. So I'll take that.
5's not even that. Like, 5 is pretty much like, he doesn't like it, Nick. Let's be honest. He was being nice.
Celine.
Something's either like really nice.
Shit, I just messed this. I just missed the setup.
Oh shit.
Like
On
you
what?
can literally you can just take these 5-minute 9 EMA bounces on NQ like all day. Look at it. Like bounce, 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 bounce.
Yeah, that's
Let's wait for
crazy.
the next one and short it. Like that's what we're gonna do. Grok
Yeah,
says
I need
5
to.
is a polite 1. You know what? Fuck you, dude.
He also says, "Oh, by the way, Celine, about the flood, I saw a video where an anaconda was swimming between their houses." Yes, that was not AI. That was real. That was yeah. All of a
Ew.
sudden, I realized I don't live in the nicest of areas. I had no idea there was even anacondas around here. Like in a part where it's like sort of, it's actually the main city of Bali, but it's a little bit more, I guess, like jungly, and like the housing and stuff is a bit more questionable. But there were anacondas in that area, and that's probably like 30 minutes. 30 minutes from where I live. So yeah,
That's fun.
it's scary.
That is scary. All right, thank you. Making a new low here. New
I
lows.
wanna join you in this. I also am looking at the buys on gold right now.
Yeah, looking good. NQ is looking nicer though, to be fair. We're over halfway to my target already. I was thinking when I entered this trade, I would hold this like until like at least New York session, but at this point we might even hit it before New York session starts.
I'm sure we will.
It
But
would
to
be
be honest,
crazy.
like at market open, I thought we were gonna have some like a way bigger reaction. Like it wasn't as big as I thought. I was
Yeah,
thinking like all-time highs and that sort of thing, but
fair.
not as big as I
Fair, fair.
thought.
Oh, also, Coach Tank brought me like a fancy ketchup from the UK. And it's funny because that literally tastes like tomato sauce. And then I thought of you because you call it tomato sauce.
That's where it comes from, because what do you think ketchup is?
I mean, it is
It's
a
tomato
tomato
sauce.
smoothie.
Tomato sauce. Tomato
Basically, it's a
sauce.
smoothie because tomato is a fruit and it's like blended tomato. So technically a fruit smoothie.
That's just freaking weird.
That's very, very healthy, actually. That's why I eat so much.
That's why you put so much of it on everything.
Yeah.
There is not a health benefit to eating that much ketchup. Surely not.
Oh yeah, although no, definitely not. Although I do hate oil. Let's actually look at oil because oil obviously gapped up like crazy. Look at this. This is the hourly chart on the 5-minute. This shit is crazy.
Oh shit, yeah.
Gapped up from 6-7 up to 75.
Insane.
This has room to go way higher. Crazy times. Anybody in a trade chat? What are you guys
Yeah, but
trading?
Adam, I'm pretty sure Nick uses the ketchup with no sugar. That's right.
Yeah,
Right?
50% off sugar.
Or 50%.
Yeah. The one with 0 tastes like shit.
I would never. Could never have a 0 sugar ketchup. That would just be like, what,
No.
tomatoes?
Tomatoes. Wait,
Tomatoes.
Alavi says I'm in gold shorts. Dude, what the hell?
What the hell?
What's your okay? And now I'm interested. What is your reasoning for the gold short? What is your stop and what's your target?
I mean, my usual like way of trading would, yes, I would be in a sell right now, but I'm not taking the usual model of trading because that all goes out the window when the fundamentals are screaming long.
For real. Massacre says, Celine, why do you live in Bali if you're afraid of everything that crawls on the ground? Because Australia is worse.
No, but you know what? I'm not going to be here forever. And it has been getting worse. Like when I first moved here, it was like everything was like perfect. The beach, everything. And then we've been struck by floods and like now there's like snakes. I saw a monitor lizard, like all these things. And I'm starting to be like, okay, maybe Bali is not like the best. I mean, it's
no.
nice for
Well,
like,
you're
I've
moving
been
to,
here.
you're moving to Greece anyways, right?
Yeah, I cannot wait. June 1st. I'm pretty sure the flight. I booked my flight.
It's like you literally just go from floods to fires. That's what you do.
What do you mean fires? Wait,
I
what?
mean, Greece always has freaking fires in summer because it's too
but
dry.
like maybe like out in the mountains, but like
Yeah,
probably not.
yeah,
In
obviously not in the cities.
It's like what? But yeah, anywhere. I would just like escape to an island if there was fires. You can just jump in the water and you'll be fine.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah,
XVQQXX.
I'm excited.
Who should I contact to receive account that I won almost 2 weeks ago? Okay, so judging on the amount of tequila that background Nick consumed in Mexico, you're probably gonna get it in a couple of weeks. No, I'm kidding. But reach out to Nick. So Nick at Tradeify.co, and he's gonna send it to you.
Yeah, I also, guys, for those that were, there was a couple of you guys that were asking last week as well, and I did mention, well, I sent a few of your emails through to Nick, but there's no way he's seen it yet because obviously he was in Mexico, so just give him some time.
Sumi Troy says, hi, I'm from India. I want to know about NASDAQ. What do you want to know?
There are so many things to know.
Yeah, for real.
It's pretty toxic. Stay away.
It's a toxic little beach. You know what though? Today I really like it.
Well, yeah, you're banking today. I'm waiting for this gold long. Right now it looks like it's ranging on the 1 minute, but when it breaks these highs, I'm in it. We're gonna just take a good old breakout.
Damn, I just realized I'm up 160 points on NASDAQ right now.
Damn, imagine that on like even a mini.
Would
Why'd
be nice.
you bitch and go micros?
Because it's a small live account.
I know. Chat, is anyone in trades? Like, I mean, I don't know. I don't know.
My live account is, so gold is up $265, NQ up 620. I'm going for 1,200 on NASDAQ and 1,000 on gold. So
it's interesting, like gold is just ranging now, but NQ is continuing to drop here. So I would have thought they'd both have volume at the moment. But
NQ
it's going to be very interesting by the time. What's that?
NQ might pull back to that 9 EMA again, and then we might short it. What's going to be interesting?
Well, it's going to be interesting at New York Open. I just
New
think
York Open is going to be very interesting.
They're going to have like a delayed reaction to all this, and that's going to be another opportunity to just get in.
That's going to be crazy. See, Shukufuku says, damn, I was trying to hold my 1NQ short down to the previous month's low, but I forgot I had a 2K profit target set in trade of 8. No! Oh, that's pain.
But I mean, 2K hit. 2K, you gotta take it.
Yep. If you had to guess, more selling at New York or big squeeze up? We might get a fake out, honestly, where it looks like.
And then I'd take, I'd let the first like 10 minutes play out, and then just take the continuation to the downside, I think. Johnny says he's tempted to chase NQ. I mean, today's one of those days you technically could just short it here and chase it if you want.
Sell low, buy lower.
Financial advice.
For real. Yeah. It is sell low, buy lower. Look at it. The current London session so far, London high to London low, is 80 points after 26 minutes.
I'm
but
just
yeah, it is not
financial advice. Because I mean, you still could have your stop loss in like just that worst place where it just comes up, taps it, and then dumps from.
Yeah.
So
stop.
You still have to have a bit of logical.
Who's that? Stop. Who?
Well, I hope you have a stop in your live account.
I actually don't right now.
Oh, you're crazy.
No financial advice. Oh, I hear the banging. Knock, knock, knock.
I just muted for that reason. Oh, it's gonna be annoying. They've been going since the morning. I thought by the time the stream would be on, it'd be fine, but
Oh, we're back at 740 viewers. Oh.
let's go.
Chat. Are we going to get to 1,000? But then we should increase the like goal, shouldn't we?
I say we get. Well, yeah, that's what was happening. I said 385, and then all of a sudden there was like 900 viewers, and it just.
Oh, we're at 360
like
already.
instantly,
Likes.
so.
We're at 360 likes. We said 400 is the like goal. That's going to be so easy. All right, you know what, chat? You know what? So 400 is still the like goal for the normal giveaway. However, if we hit 600 likes, we're not only going to give away a 50K growth account, but also a 50K lightning funded account. That's what we're going to do. So we might get 2 giveaways today. Justin says you can't increase the like goal. Yeah, no, that's why I say 2 giveaways. What if we get 1,000 likes? Then instead of a 50K lightning funded, we do 150K lightning funded. You heard me. Emma, when will it be possible to choose trade C? Soon. Soon. All right, gold pumping. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, Celine's just changing her network. She'll be back. She'll be back in a second. Jonathan says, I want a Lambo if we're asking for stupid stuff. What do you mean stupid stuff? A Lambo is not stupid. Hello, Papa says, you guys talk about these free accounts and I got 2 of them and can't even register them. Is that fake advertisement? What do you mean you can't register them? Let me help you out. No fake advertisement here. Okay, we got 400 likes, so the 50K growth account is guaranteed. Okay, Jonathan, that's fair. It is stupidly fast. I see what you're doing. Hello, Papa says email already exists. Well, you already have an account with Tradeify, you mean? Oh, what do you mean? I don't get it. I don't get it.
Hello, hello. All
Hello.
right. I'm rebooting chat. I'm all good now.
Yeah,
I had to switch network.
that's another proof that she's AI. She literally called herself rebooting.
Whatever. I'll take it today because I don't know what's happening with my tech today. Whenever like I stream on my own, Nick, I swear these things don't happen. It's because you're playing around with the.
I'm not doing anything. I'm hands off right now.
Chat, don't you agree? It's Nick. Nick's the issue.
I'm the issue. I'm not sure about that.
But did we say we're going to give them another account if we do another?
Yeah. So here are the rules.
Yeah.
We already got the 50K growth guaranteed because they hit 450 likes already.
Oh, damn.
However, if we hit 600 likes, we're going to give them, in addition to the 50K growth, we're going to give them a 50K lightning funded. If we hit 1,000, the 50K lightning funded gets replaced by 150K lightning funded. So,
chat, don't be buying likes, by the way, because we can tell.
That would be very lame.
But there is a lot on the line.
And if we can tell, we take away all the giveaways.
Because we can do that.
If anybody buys likes, no giveaways.
Oh, speaking of buying, I think I might be buying gold.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
Let's see your charts then.
Well, see, I was looking at this 1 minute. Here's my little technical analysis. I wanted to see a break on the 1 minute above these equal highs, and now we're having a pullback into a little 1 minute gap. And I think these lows down here would be a fair enough stop. So I am just gonna, how many am I gonna go in? We'll just do 2 micros.
You tell me, girl.
All right, I'm just, what'd you say? You tell me, girl. I just went in. I'm in a 2 micro gold buy. Let's see. I am gonna
2
put a
micro
stop.
gold buy. I like it.
I'm gonna put a stop, but there we go. All right, this is the trade. The price was 427.2. 427.
427.2.
All right. And then TP is just, well, what's a logical TP on this? Let's have a look.
Yes.
What would you say? I mean,
for gold?
for gold?
I mean, I'm targeting 4594, but
94. Let's go with I'm gonna target this high on the 4 hour that hasn't been tapped. That is 480. 480.
480. XVQQXX. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I'm glad to be back. Thanks, Devin, as well. Alan says, I'm new here. What are these giveaways about? They're about you getting free accounts. Tradeify accounts.
And welcome. We love having you guys here. If you're new, by the way, and you're just watching us, make sure you subscribe so you can comment in the chat and talk to us while we navigate this mess.
See. Let's see here.
Let's see if gold wants to give us the buys.
I did just enter NQ short here. We did reject that 9 EMA again.
Nice.
Again. Let's see if it plays out. Could also rip. Basically, I'm risking 22 points for 25. It could rip.
Let's see it dump more. I mean, there is so much room to the downside on NQ.
Yeah. Looks like he wants to stop me out, though. Don't do it. I'm just playing with profits right now.
Mr. Lucktex says, can we...
Reverse Nicholas Wicholas. That was
dump
close.
it now.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
If it dumps now, that would be nice. That would be...
What a goaded stop it.
That would be crazy. Hold on. Still looks like it wants to go higher, though. Mr. Lugtech, can we join you in the trade? You can do whatever you want to. Everything I do is like not financial advice. Whatever you want to do,
say, like...
Okay, I got stopped out on this.
Oh, damn.
We got stopped out, but that's okay. I'm still up $43 on this account.
Hey. You know what would be so annoying if I long this now and I get stopped out on gold? Because I know it wants to go higher. I just know it.
Where's your stop?
If the stop's just in the wrong place, it's going to be annoying. Just at these lows on the 1 minute, it's 416.4.
416.4.
I guess that's the previous 15-minute low. But like, if I am going to use a bit of technical analysis here, like besides fundamentals, like there is catastrophic war going on right now. So obviously like gold, the fear asset is going to pump. But besides all that, like if I just look at the 15-minute chart right now on gold, what I like is that we have completely basically like retraced all of that Asia session range. We've closed strongly above this high on the 15-minute. So we have now a market structure shift. Then we also left a bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute that we came down and tapped into. And then again, the last 15-minute closed nicely bullish above this high. So I don't know. Like, there is nothing to me that says here not to long this right now.
Yeah, same. Same.
But if my stop is just in a bad place, so there's nothing I can do. I will long again.
And again. And
And
again.
again and again.
Bada bing, bada bong.
Peter says, can we use daily trend line on NASDAQ as support? Seems like we're going there. I mean, I'm not going to say yes or no because I don't use trend lines in my analysis, but on days like today, honestly, key levels, I don't know if NQ is going to even be thinking about respecting those sorts of things.
Yeah. I don't know.
Brody says, I'm fading you. I just took the long. Oh, damn.
Do it. Do what you want to do. You do you, I do me.
I mean, you can get little scalps to the upside. Like, both can still play out. It's just about
100%.
where you place your stops.
100%. And now NQ's pushing. Pushed 70 points from the low. However, in the grand scheme of things, it's just a little pullback so far.
I'm thinking, do I want to have a bit of a wider stop on this gold long?
I mean, it makes sense.
I'm thinking maybe the midpoint 5411 is probably a bit more logical. 5411.
That would be ugly if it comes down there. My entry on gold was 394.6.
394. Oh, damn. Nice entry. You got a nice entry.
I got in a while ago, though. I got in 2 hours ago.
What time was that for you?
That was 7:30 my time.
Wait, are you normally up that early, or you had to get up to get into this?
Yeah, no, I get up at 6:30.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I actually told my fiance yesterday night. I was like, yeah, I kind of want to stay up and wait till market open at 12 a.m. But I was like, nah, sleep is more important.
Degenerate. Yeah. I'm happy with this. Whatever happens. I'm in line with what I think fundamentally they want to do with gold. Like, I just don't want to be in a short. That's how I feel. But
That's fair. That is very fair.
Let's just get some sort of like major news headline in the next hour, and then we should see a bump.
Pete. NQ is really trying to rally here. Interesting. That's Z-Man. Where's the wedding, Nick? In Switzerland. Switzerland, too.
Didn't you get your invite, the Z-Man?
We don't even know when it is.
Kidding.
Oh, he's actually asking when is the wedding, not where is the wedding.
Oh.
Lul. I don't know. End of 2027, beginning of 2028. I just took out London High here. Interesting. He's going to need security. What for, dude?
Because you're famous now.
Very famous.
All right, this is like a good pullback on NQ.
Yeah, that pullback on NQ is... He's pulling back.
He's pulling back.
The pullback is pulling back.
And gold's going down. Of course.
Of course, yeah. Bodhi
You know
says it's
what's
called a
funny?
reversal. I'm not sure. What's funny?
If I had played like my usual system on gold, I would have had a short and it would have hit. I'm just looking at that actually. That would have
Why did you
taken.
not play your usual system?
Well, I would have been like, I mean, what time was this? 2:24. I don't know. I was looking at the markets, but I didn't feel confident in shorting. I just felt like any technical analysis I'd be doing was just gonna be like eaten up. But I'm just
Yeah.
looking at that.
It's a fine
Also,
line today. It's a
yeah.
very fine line.
Like technically, like are we on my charts? I'm just trying. Yeah.
Yeah, we're in your chart.
Technically, this also would have been a sell, and I'm currently like longing this. So that's kind of.
I mean, my take is this. Gold, buy high, sell higher, however, allow for room. And same thing on NQ to the downside. Like you have to allow it to bounce around and do some weird stuff. As long as you do that, you're good. I do have a set of 5 evals that I haven't traded yet. I'm gonna actually take a short in those up here. On NQ.
Okay, so that gold short would have hit also. That's really oh, and I think my actual gold long. All right, I'm about to get taken out. Shit. Yeah. There we go. Damn, Nick, that burns. You know why? Because I didn't play the model. That freaking burns.
Well,
That's 2 shorts I would have played out. And then I just felt so strongly that I wanted to long this market. And then I longed literally where it started to break down was my entry. And then it just dumped on me. That hurts. What's there to learn in this? Is there a lesson? I think I just had a bad stop. I'm not even going to look at that. That burns. All right. Stay away from gold now. I still want to long it. I'm just going to wait for another entry.
find another entry, yeah. It didn't sweep Asia high though. It did not. Where that Z-Man, where's the thumbs up count at? I mean, just look at it. Just refresh your YouTube. It's currently at 492.
Oh my gosh, that is so rage baiting me right now. Ugh,
Yikes.
that's so annoying. Damn, but look at the 5-minute. Like that looks like a clean sweep now. Now I like the longs better.
That's Z-Man. You gotta refresh your YouTube if you don't see it. You go to refresh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Patrick. You just gotta have a very, very big stop, like size down and have bigger stops.
Well, it was like, let me see the size. I should have actually traded this on different accounts too. Then I would have allowed for a bigger stop, to be honest. 427. Where was my entry? Somewhere around here. Yeah, it was like a 15-point stop. It wasn't. I don't know.
That's fair.
It's big. It's big on a normal day. Let's be honest, but
Yeah, today's crazy.
it turns out yeah, you need to definitely allow yourself way more room when you trade.
I mean, NQ just pumped 100 points from the low. It's crazy.
Okay, well, counts are still alive. Let's see.
Let's see what oil is doing. The oil. Wow. Oil currently so far has its first red hourly candle in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. Crazy.
Crazy. This hurts, Nick.
Yep. Yep.
What do we do? You know what? I'm just gonna look for the next long opportunity on gold because I still think that, to be fair, like I think having a stop near these lows was a bit dangerous. If looking back in hindsight, it's probably a stupid area.
I mean, whenever it consolidates gold, like it likes to sweep one end of the range and then just go in the other direction, which it looks like it's gonna do now. But let's see.
I'll get gold back.
On these 5 evals I'm trading, I'm just gonna go like crazy, trying a 220 point trade. Pass them in one trade. That's the goal.
Nice. You should get there. That would be sick.
Let's see. Patrick, hell yeah. We got Sputnik virus.
I hate that. I was not meant to catch on to that, but
you just can't.
you can't.
You can't not catch on to that.
You can't. You can't. You say that with such an American slang. You can't.
You can't, yeah.
You can't.
You need a cup of tea.
Were your English teachers American at school?
No.
I wonder why you say can't then. Can't.
Well, I don't know.
Easy Game says I was up 400 in gold and got pulled out BE. I mean, at least you took the BE. I took it like a, oh, look at gold now, you little bitch.
You little bitch. Wait, but didn't you say your stop is 401?
No, 411.
Oh, 411. No. Oh, wait, you entered it on minis?
No.
But it didn't hit on micros. 411 did never hit on micros.
Wait, I'll tell you exactly the price. I'm also looking to enter this again. It was... stopped at... what? 411.5.
No, that's the literal low.
Literally. I just bought this again.
You got Nicholas Wicklist?
Yep. And I'm buying this again, by the way. I'm going to have my stop at that low.
No.
Whatever happens, happens. I mean,
Celine.
I know.
And back.
And then you know what? I had to sit there and watch 2 shorts play out that I would have been on like in a normal day. 2 like clean little reversal shorts. So I entered this again, by the way. And now we're having a pullback. But whatever. I entered at 423.8.
423.8, yeah.
Again with micros. And we'll just see.
Thank you. Keeps pushing. Damn. Okay.
Maybe we get up into that. I wouldn't mind if we hold and respect this 15-minute bearish gap on NQ up at 603.
Well, that would be nice. It's crazy to think we just got a 110-point pullback and I'm still like in very healthy profits.
All right, is gold going to give me the next?
Gold is 30 to you right now.
Like, really, where is a healthy stop? I'm like, okay.
That's a good question.
Technically, I want to have it at the low here because I feel like if it's going to drop lower than that, then maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe we're just gonna have a bit of a further dump. But I don't know, like on days like this, what's a healthy amount?
I mean, it totally makes sense to have your stop below that low there, to be fair.
On a normal day, but like now I feel like I'm just gonna get wicked out again. Look at that 5-minute. Literally no top wick. We're just continuing down. 15-minute looks
That would be
unhealthy.
crazy. If you got bottom ticked on the stop loss and then top ticked on the entry, that would be crazy.
What is happening today?
Yes, double Nicholas Wickolas would be brutal.
I hate this. You know why? Because if I get stopped out for going against my model, this is generally what happens too. Like it's sometimes like when I want to degen it and like take a breakout, or like I feel like there's momentum, I just want to long this. Like I always pay the price, and it always reminds me like, Celine, you did the work, trade your model, right? But on
Yeah.
days like this, I'm like, okay, fundamentals are obviously controlling these markets, and I just want to long it, but I'm gonna get burned again. So frustrating.
I'm just scrolling Twitter right now really quick to check if anything's happening. Okay, more rockets.
More rockets should be more gold buying. What are we doing?
Yeah. It's crazy to me, like, to see explosions in Dubai, because that's
Yes.
a place where I spent a lot of time. And it's
Yeah,
like
and
so weird.
like a lot of other traders like are out there right now that move there for paradise, for all
Yeah.
the good life, and now it's like it's definitely changed my mind about Dubai, thinking it was like the safe haven. I would never have thought that I'd be seeing that in Dubai.
That's crazy.
Pretty crazy.
It's crazy. Just scrolling really quick.
Also, I moved my stop lower, so we'll see what happens.
Where did you
probably
move it
gonna
to?
so on the 15-minute, we're in this like bullish FEG, and I've moved it to, it's pretty much in line with the previous 4-hour high. It's 4037. So it covers the whole entire gap, or the 15-minute bullish gap. But I'm sorry, but if we make lower lows, this doesn't look good.
Yeah, right now, this doesn't look too hot. Patrick, when did that happen? Just now?
Oh, Judas, Dubai bye. Oh my gosh.
Oh, some people are unhinged. A few hours ago? Okay, crazy. It was a friendly fire. Very friendly.
All right, I think I'm gonna get cooked on this. Oh, we cooked, chat. This is 2 micros.
2 micros.
Mm-hmm.
Friendly fire on the chat. Okay, explain to me, how does friendly fire on a fighter jet work? Do they shoot chocolate or what?
What?
Largest
Thank you.
oil refinery was taken offline an hour ago. Damn. Crazy.
Don't get married in the market, Celine. I know, but like, I just wanted to long gold today. That was the idea.
A system mistake? What? Oh, accidentally I shot my machine gun. No. Nor. Nor.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, the F1 is meant to be in wait, F15, what's that? But I know the F1 was gonna be in oh shit. But you know the F1 was meant to be in Bahrain and like Qatar soon? And I was listening to a news reporter saying they think the F1's gonna be moved out, and it's around the same time that we're meant to be in Dubai. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's not looking so good.
I'm wondering if Dubai is gonna happen.
Nick, I'm getting burned. Chat. Justin, I know. Don't even, Justin. It burns. I would be up. Do we need to know what I would be up on?
Don't even look it up. You're just gonna be pissed.
Ugh. Get away from me.
Don't even look.
I hate today. Today's already just nope, not a good day. That's man. Save yourself, Celine. Chat, Celine just gave a great lesson. Literally, guys, just learn from this. Please learn from this. If you can't handle the emotions of trading outside your system, just don't do it. Because I'm clearly like feeling the burn. Although I accepted it, I did say like, I'm not trading the system today. I'm just going to trade based on what I think fundamentally. But I'm getting burned, chat, so don't do as I do.
The thing is, even if you trade fundamentals, like you need big stops today. It's my take on it.
Yeah, that's the thing. You could be like totally right about the direction today, but longing the high here and having a stop big enough to like take a bit of a retracement is kind of the issue I'm having right now.
Well, gold is just cruel to you right now. Not gonna lie.
Very, very cruel. Top ticked that entry, pretty much. Remember, I'm saying like I did not trade the system today, and look at that. Oh boy, there's gonna be a fun one to journal.
Very fun.
This is gonna be fun.
I doubt it.
And just to stay in. Should I just like let these accounts blow? It's so annoying though.
Should you do?
I mean, they're still up in profit. Like if I take this loss, they're evals and they'll still be in green, but it hurts. It hurts.
Thank you. Coming back down potentially. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. In the wild trades, as a better entry would be where your stop is. You know, shit, Sherlock.
Justin says Celine NQ going down and gold back up. I don't know.
I do think so. We just don't know how far it goes before it does that.
Yeah, and I'm not willing to find out.
Fuck around and find out. Little FAFO Monday.
Say like let's say you use the fib, which is kind of a good tool when you got days like this to see just how far you could technically retrace. 50% of this. If you just take the low to the high of the 15-minute range, there's still a while to go until you reach 50%. So I bought in a premium. This is the issue. I bought right at the top.
Bought the tip at the top.
But I'm on
Well, I bought at the top too, but at the lower top.
Yeah. But I'm on eval, so like the idea is that I don't want to hit my daily loss limit all in one go right now.
That's fair.
So I'm just gonna take the stop.
That is a fair thought. Damn, now they're drilling?
I just muted because I was like, he's gonna hear that.
Nah,
They're
you're
going
good.
crazy. I'm actually mad. You know what time it is? It's 5 p.m. here, and I can hear that from the ground
Well,
floor.
at least they're renovating some stuff. That's good for you.
Yeah, but like they've been renovating since a couple days ago, and I would have thought it'd be finished by now. It's so annoying. Not happy about that. In Australia, we have strict rules. Like you can't start like labor and stuff until a certain hour in the morning, and then it has to
Oh,
finish
it's
at a
the
certain
same in
hour.
Switzerland.
Yeah. But here in Bali, it's just
Can't
like,
do anything on Sunday.
oh yeah, no, Bali Bali doesn't know what that means. They're just like they were going all weekend. They were going, I think like Friday it started.
I like that though. It's like you make way more progress that way.
Yeah, well, when you're in a loss, the last thing you want to be listening to is a freaking drill go off.
That's fair.
Everything's just triggering right now, Nick. They could be like singing downstairs and I would be like, shut the hell up.
Shut your fucking mouth. Is it gonna bounce here though? Maybe.
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 I doubt it.
Guess we'll find out.
Definitely.
We need 55 more likes, chat, for a 50k Lightning Funnel giveaway, in addition to the 50k Growth Account giveaway that we're already going to do. So, better smack that like button, yeah? Damn, NQ is rallying right now.
I'm laughing at Patrick's comment. Is it Celine thinks renovations are as instant as hitting her stop loss? Unfortunately not, dear friend. Thanks, Patrick, for the burn, for that extra burn.
Wow, Patrick. Zempic says, I love the market wisdom in the chat. Instead of what you did, why didn't you glimpse into the future and did something better? Yeah, that's actually a good point. Why?
I know, but to be fair, you guys can like, you can shame me all you want. This is not good trading. And I'll admit it. This is not the way I like to trade or how I would normally be trading. So today is the day you guys get free shots at me to tell me I was buying at a premium and I was doing everything wrong today. The only good thing I did is I traded this with micros. I traded with micros though. So we can applaud that. These aren't big losses.
That's fair. That's fair.
But mentally it just sucks.
NQ struggling to push through 600. Same on ES with 800. Let's see. I'm still a fan of NQ shorts. I'm still a fan of gold longs in the overall scheme of things.
Well, if we get the bounce here, I mean, I don't have like VWAP or EMAs on my chart right now, but there is a bit of a hold up here on gold.
The VWAP is way lower. It's 40 points lower.
Oh, damn. Okay.
The VWAP.
I called it by mistake last week. I was calling it WeWAP. I couldn't get the V out, and I was like, it's the WeWAP. The WeWAP.
You mean the beep-up?
The beep-up is what I meant to say, but came out WeWAP.
Yep. Elon says, I'm thinking we drop real hard at New York Open. Well, let's hope so. Tok.
That is, I'm going to complain after this stream. It's 5 p.m.
I'm going to complain, guys.
No, I'm going to be a Karen today. I'm allowed.
Why are you allowed to be Karen today?
because it's 5 p.m. on a Monday, and it's like it's rude. At this point, it's personal.
This is not okay, chat.
You know what? If they weren't doing that, Nick, I probably would have won. How about that?
Oh, damn.
Oh,
Blaming the
damn.
construction workers.
They're gonna
Deducted from their
get
salary.
the wrath when I get down there after this. Now, maybe I just need to talk louder so that my voice like just you know, drowns
That's
out the
exactly what you
background.
gotta do.
Now, what I was gonna say was these guys are giving it to me in the chat, so I just have to read out some of these. DW channel says, Celine, you entered the wrong time and the wrong position. Lol. Thank you, DW channel. I know. What else? Bias is the worst. Got it. Thank you. What else have we got? What else? Oh, you guys weren't that bad. Celine, what is wrong with you? Martin. I'm allowing it today, chat. Come at me. Come at me today.
Today's Fight Celine Day.
Wait, you guys think that it's rude to tell them that it's a bit how about it's inconsiderate of them to be drilling and banging like that? How about that?
Is there a rule that you can't work after 5 p.m. or what?
No, there's no rule, but like
Okay, so then it isn't rude, right?
But like it's pretty aggressive, that drilling that's going on down there.
What should I do? Like put a silencer on the drill? Like,
oh yeah, if that exists, they should. I don't know a thing about construction, but there should be like some sort of noise canceling something. You know. I'm sure when I go down there after this, they'll understand. I was like, I was in a gold short today and you made me lose. No, I won't.
Funny.
You guys are disappointed? Wow. I thought, chat, we're all the same here. Maybe we're not.
Chat is always better. You should know that
chat
by now.
Always knows better.
Mm-hmm.
Am I surviving this second gold long? We will soon find out. No, Martin, I'm obviously not going to shout at the workers. I'm just joking. I can't believe I have to say that I'm joking on this stream. Yeah, I'm not actually going to go down and yell at people, chat. Relax. I'll just...
Actually, chat is going to go full-on Karen mode right after.
I'm going to politely ask them.
And she's going to film it too.
That they need to think next time.
You know what, guys? I'm a trader and you are totally disturbing my peace of mind right now. And that's because I lost money. So I'm going to take your money now.
And you know what? It's for you guys. I feel sorry for you guys that you have to listen to the banging. Okay? Because if I wasn't on stream right now, I'd have my noise canceling headphones on and I'd be all good. So I'm doing it for you guys, chat.
It doesn't even bother us, you know?
I'm sticking up for the chat. I'm going to have to watch a stream later and see how bad it was. But for me,
it's not bad at all. It's literally not bad.
All right. I'll let him off then.
It's very super fucking annoying, but...
Well, hello.
Leia, I know you didn't miss the giveaway. We're still going to do the giveaway. We need 18 more likes, and then we're going to do 50K growth and 50K lightning funded.
Joseph, there are little smoking cabins where you like pay and can scream there off stress. I don't know what that is.
You can also just scream without a cabin.
Yeah, I could just scream. Or maybe like a rage room. Maybe today's like I need to find a rage room in Bali.
Rage room is great.
Have you done one of those?
Yeah, in Dubai.
I should see if they have that here. Today's like one
of the rage room at home. It's a bit more expensive, but
true. Let me think if I've got any like plates and things I can smash. Oh, here we go, gold. We're dropping.
Yep. Damn, NQ bounced. Crazy. 150 points from the low.
Patrick says, sure that you're not confusing the renovations with the newly installed rage room in your building. That would be fire. I'm going to have to double check on that. You could be right, Patrick. They're just setting it up for me. They knew I was going to have a shitty day today, and they're like, you know what? We got to get that rage room ready for her. She's gonna need the rage room.
Bada bing, bada bong.
Oh no, Pam. Today I let the chat. You don't need to. I said they can disrespect and throw all they have at me today because I didn't follow the rules and I'm reaping the consequence of that. There's a chance. I mean, we could still make money in this second trade, but just based off the way I traded this, I let them have
a
that
chance. Thank you doesn't stop ripping on the lower time frame. Higher time frame overall still very short biased. 600 likes, all right, damn. We're gonna do 50k growth and a 50k lightning funded giveaway. So you know what? Why don't we just do the 50k growth right now, and then we do the 50k lightning funded after? I think that would be a good idea.
I think that's a good idea.
So, chat, if you want to take part in this giveaway, 50k growth account, then all you're going to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, unfortunately, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified too. So let's see who wins. By the way, the same person can win both giveaways, so you can participate in both.
Imagine that. I mean, the chances are so low, but
that would be crazy.
It is in the realm of probabilities. So good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody else. Let's see.
Leah wants to know if she's first.
Leah wants to know if she's first. Let me check. Yes, you were first, Leah. By 2 seconds. Damn.
That's some accuracy. Maybe today's your day, Leah. Maybe. Last week we had Jonathan was like receiving a payout on Friday and he won an account. And then something else happened, but he like had a great end to the week last week.
Damn. Patrick, your form froze? No, you're not in. Gotta do it again.
We might have to start doing like multiple giveaways, chat, if we're like seriously growing. You never know.
Yeah. I mean, we're now hitting, like London session is hitting, sometimes hitting New York session numbers. So we're doing like freaking 5 giveaways in New York session, so we can do some more in London too.
You heard it, chat. Tell everyone to join the stream. Tell your grandmas.
Yep.
Your neighbors. Bring them to the stream, and then we'll give you more accounts. What do we think, chat? Am I cooked?
I hope not.
To be fair, the oh, hold on a minute. Oh, I was just checking. Wait, my stop is 403.7. Oh my, Nick.
Oh, you
this
almost
candle went. No, I almost got stopped at 404.1.
Sheesh.
I don't know why.
You're giving the Marcus a reverse Nicholas now after he got you first.
That would be a good story.
That would be wild.
Sorry, stop is actually here. I had my stop drawn wrong on the charts. All right, let's see.
All right, let's pick a winner. Yeah.
Let's do it, yeah.
Let's do it, yeah. This is for a 50K growth account, chat. And afterwards, we're going to do 50K lightning. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Bada bing, bada bong. The
Good
winner
luck.
of the 50K growth account is... Winner chicken dinner is... PV Yoshi. PV Yoshi, congrats. You just won a 50K growth account. Make sure you type something in the chat really quick. I'm just double checking if you only filled out the form once. You did. Amazing.
Congrats.
So PV Yoshi says, I'm here. Perfect.
Let's
Congratulations.
go.
Paula is your name, I see. So all you're going to do now, Paula, is add your email address. I see you have an email address in the YouTube channel description, which is good. Just make sure this is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. And if that's the case, we're going to send you your free account within the next 7 days.
And we still have another account to give away.
Yeah, we're going to give away a 50K Lightning Funded. So stick around.
Stick around, chat.
Yes, just tapped VWAP, beep up.
JJ says Celine. Who the hell is JJ?
What do you
My
say?
side chick? I'm sorry, I was nobody's side chick.
All right, JJ, getting a good old 24-hour ban. Come back tomorrow.
Disgusting. Trying to act like they know me. Can you guys do 90% off?
90% off?
Don't you reckon, chat, that just sounds like a scam? Like, 90% off just sounds too good to be true, right?
I don't know. I just saw your Slack message. Corey, where the hell my money gone, Brody? Well, first of all, you're not even tagging my real username. What are you doing, bro? Second of all, here you go. You get 1 money. Oh shit, that was 2 money.
I love that he made your username up.
That was 2 monies for Corey.
Marco says, it's so rigged, but I'm addicted to Tradeify, so I will never stop, can't stop, won't stop. I feel you. It's an addiction here. We love Tradeify.
Hello, Papa. Nick, what kind of gel do you use on your hair? It's called a modeling paste, actually. similar to wax. It's a L'Oreal thingy. I don't even know what it's called. Been using it for literally like 10 plus years.
Are we about to get the stop out? Yep. Yeah. Oh, yep. There it is.
Nor.
All right. So the reversals worked today. And I had to F around and find out.
Apparently.
But it's all good. We will come back fresh. I took 2 L's, so I'm not going to take anything else for, well, at least on these accounts for the rest of the session. I might have another setup later on, but I will trade New York just a little bit more lighter, maybe 1 or 2 micros still, but definitely on different accounts because the 2 losses is still a rule I'm going to keep today.
Thanks, Patrick. I just saw it. Perma ban. Not even a timeout. Laksha, is Tradeify platform available on Tradeify yet? Not yet, but it's coming. Devin, my looks maxing too. No, that's just Amos, dude. Amos is looks maxing.
Wait, there was a time when we were in Miami and we were taking like a photo all together, and we were all smiling, and Amos just had this look that Amos he just knows how to. He just has that look. What do they call that? I don't even know, mugging or something. And I was
whatever.
It was funny.
Lulu, that's right. I'm just catch up maxing. I'm Heinz maxing.
That's for sure. Nimble P, I suffer from Monday curse as well. It's especially nasty today. Yeah, no, I think I mean, I can't say that they weren't clean shorts on gold. The retracement was clean, and the NQ like retracement, the pullback has also been clean. But I'm just saying that I
still think NQ is gonna go lower.
I still think as well. I just had to F around and find out today that that had to happen for whatever reason.
I'm at break even right now on Nasdaq.
That's annoying. I still think it's good for.
What I said is I'm gonna hold it for 2 days. I don't care. Gonna hold it based on current price action.
Jimmy says caught a nice 3-minute short, got out before the reversal hit. Yeah, I mean, if you guys were in earlier, like Nick, you're not even in drawdown, and this has been a crazy pullback. Like the points that we've retraced from this low is now 170 points. So congrats if you still banked on the shorts. Patrick, how much are you down to, Celine? Well, on the bigger accounts, I'm down 1,500. It's quite a lot. They were big stops.
That's
So
okay.
I'm not going to trade them. I'm not going to trade them for the rest of the day. I will trade other accounts and then come back fresh tomorrow. And you know what? They're still in green, so overall balance. Yes, Devanch says, remember Celine on Friday also called the NQ shorts, remember, and it did play out. It was such a clean short. Exactly what I was waiting for happened to the T. Also, looking at the daily, well, before all this news started happening with the war, like what I was looking for on the daily has actually been playing out. So I was saying how last week I wanted to see these equal highs on the daily get swept. Then once we swept that on and then we swept that on Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, I was telling you guys that I want to see us drop to sweep out the next liquidity point on the daily, which was to the downside, the equal lows here. So technically we have swept that. So on a normal day, I'd be looking bullish right now. Yes. I just don't want to risk it right now. Look, you just have to be careful this week, maybe in general, even like for the rest of the week. There could be Twitter posts come out, which is so annoying, that'll just rock the boat completely. And it doesn't really matter what you think NQ might do and where you think the stops are and stop hunts and whatever. Like,
True.
So just be careful. I paid the price today. Some of you still made money today, and that is totally cool. I'm still convinced of the direction of my trade on gold. I just not a good execution.
All right, let's do lightning funded giveaway, shall we?
Let's do it.
Nice. Chat, if you want to take part in this giveaway for 50k lightning funded, all you gotta do, like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and if you already filled out the Google form, do not do it again. I will keep the same entry. If you have not filled it out yet, then definitely do it. Just scroll back up and go to the Google form. And we're gonna pick a winner in a couple minutes.
I'm sorry, 4 billions? Do you have a question? It's just like Celine, question mark.
Celine? That was his question.
Hello?
Hello.
Did you have something to say, or?
Oh yeah, actually. What are the news in the afternoon? Let's see.
I think we have like manufacturing news.
Next week, by the way, CPI, just saying.
Oh, already? Has it already been a month?
Yeah. What the hell? All right. So today we got ISM, yep, PMI, 10 a.m. Then we got tomorrow, let's see, no rep folder, US based. Then Wednesday, damn, the drill going up. ISM services PMI on Wednesday. Wait, what is it today then? Oh, manufacturing. Okay. And then Thursday, we got jobless claims. And then Friday, we should have NFP, right? Yeah, Friday is NFP. So, bunch of red-folded news this week.
Sorry, I had to mute because they were going aggressive again. Patrick, oh, what the hell? No, we're banning you again. Did we just ban this guy?
Who?
Patrick, I'm trying to ban him now.
Did we ban who? Oh, this guy. I'm gonna perma-ban him. See ya. All right. No, actually, don't see ya because you're perma-banned.
Yeah, lol. Bye.
Wait, why can he still... Wait,
what?
Still able to type for some reason. All right, cool. Let's pick a giveaway winner.
All right, let's do it.
Giveaway winner. Okay, this is for 50K lightning funded, okay?
It's big.
50K lightning funded, chat. Let's spin the wheel. 50K lightning funded goes to...
Who's it gonna be?
Penguin!
Oh!
Yo, what's up?
That's so sick.
Congrats. Type something in the chat, please.
He's in here all the time.
Yeah, he's here. That would be so bad. Let's like...
No, surely he's here.
That would be so bad. Like he's like on the toilet or something. Nah, he's here.
Says, he's here.
Says, yeah. All right, Penguin. You know the drill. No pun intended, Celine. But add your Tradeify email to your YouTube channel description, and we are going to reach out to you and send you a free account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Congratulations. That's a big win, Pinguish. That's a straight funded account.
Biggest win you could have gotten today. So
that's right.
Takes the big W. Happy to see an OG win.
Yes, that's the best.
Hell yeah. All right, chat. That's it for the first London session of March. Of course, we have our usual 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time New York session today. And then, of course, tomorrow's London session at 8 a.m. UK time. So looking forward to that. Put a W in the chat if you love the stream. Put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated every single thing of it. And Celine, take us out of here. Any motivational words for the chat?
I mean, I'll allow you guys to put L's today for the drill and for, secondly, the way I traded this today. But I hope you guys, well, thanks for the support. And regardless of how I traded this session, I will be back at these markets. I'll be trading New York session, and I'll always post on my socials if I get into something after the stream to show you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys same time tomorrow. Peace out.
Hell yeah. Peace out, guys.